Friends, my presentation on non-probability sampling techniques. My name is Sunil Kumar. I am pursuing Masters in Hotel Management from Vidya Jyoti Institution, Chandigarh. My PTU roll number is 1443307. My objective of presentation to tell about the non-probability sampling, types of probability sampling and its positive and negative impact. Positive and negative impact of non-probability sampling techniques. Positive impact of non-probability sampling techniques is convenient. Samples could be chosen in many ways, far less complicated to set up, considerably less expensive, a prelude to the main study. And negative impact of non-probability sampling techniques is the sampling is not a proportion of the population. The selection depends upon the situation. No insurance is given that each item has chance of being included as a sample. Types of techniques are used in non-probability sampling techniques: convenience sampling, snowball sampling, purposive sampling, and quota sampling. Convenience sampling is sample most available are chosen. Samples are familiar to researchers. Examples are friends, co-worker, and shoppers at a single mall. Positive and negative impact of convenience sampling. Convenience sampling is time saving, money saving, and effort saving techniques. Convenience sampling have easy data collection through a non-group or class. Negative impact of convenience sampling techniques are no accurate way to assess representativeness of samples. Possible restriction of generalization about the study finding. Snowball sampling. Snowball sampling is done with the help of study subject to choose other potential subject. A useful tool for building network and increasing the number of participants. Snowball sampling depends greatly on the entire contacts and the connection made. Positive and negative impact of snowball sampling. Positive impact of snowball sampling are very good for locating people of a specific population. Snowball sampling can quickly find people who are expert on a field, and snowball sampling techniques can help find lead user of a certain product more simply. Negative impact of snowball sampling. Heavily reliant on the skill of individual, a time-consuming process. Purposive sampling. Purposive sampling when you want to access a particular subset of people based on purpose. Method. When taking the sample, reject people who do not fit a particular profile. Positive and negative impact of purposive sampling technique. Positive impact of purposive sampling technique. Purposive sampling techniques are chosen well based on a certain criterion. There is a assurance of quality responses. Negative impact of purposive sampling techniques. Biased selection of samples may occur. Purposive sampling techniques is time-consuming process. Quota sampling. A quota sampling is established. There is a freedom to choose any respondent as long as the quota is met. Subjects are required as they arrive, and the researcher will assign them to demographic group based on variable like age, gender, or educational background. Positive and negative impact of quota sampling. Positive impact of quota sampling is each stratum is generally represented. Useful when time is limited and the researcher budget is very tight. Negative impact of quota sampling. The research might be at risk that the sample would not be typical of the desired sample quality, and quota sampling is also time consuming process. Thank you.